Today you will learn how to make this awesome kawaii beer mug cake, yay! Hey guys, it's Danya. Welcome back to Doki Cakes. So for my dad's birthday, I decided to make him a beer mug cake. But of course, you all know me, I had to add my kawaii magic touch. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. And stick around till the end so you can see my dad's big surprise reaction. Alright then, let's get started. Okay, so let's start with the fondant pieces. Roll your fondant into a sausage shape, trim off the ends and form it into a C. Attach your toothpicks. And here's our mug handle. For the face, you will need 3 circles, one slightly larger. Cut that one in half and add the eye highlights, eyebrows, cheeks, and paint his tongue with edible pink paint. Moving on with the cake, as you can see here, I already crumb coated my 6-inch cake here. Now all you need to do is add a generous amount of buttercream all over the cake. With a bench scraper, you're going to smooth it out and smooth the top. For the mug texture, use the spatula and indent upwards. Whoop. Again. Whoop. One more time. Whoop. For the foam on the top, I use rose piping tip 1A and 2A and pipe some dollops here and there all over the cake. Okay, so in this part, my camera stopped. This always happens to me and I got so annoyed by that. So what I did is that with a spatula, I pushed the white buttercream, the foam part a little bit down so it can look like the foam is oozing out a little bit. I hope this makes sense. Anyway, this is what it should look like and all we have to do is add the super happy face. First the smile, then the eyes, the cheeks, the eyebrows, and the mug handle. And voila, we are done with the kawaii beer mug cake, guys. Oh my gosh, it turned out extremely cute. I love it so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I am very amazed with myself. When I finished this cake, I was like, oh! And speaking of amazement, as promised, here's my dad's surprise reaction. Hope you like it. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Surprise! Happy birthday!
Sí, mi amor. Gracias, mi amor.
Beer cake!
Beer cake.
¿Te gustó, Father?
Ay, sí, mi amor, bien.
Ay,
bonito.
sí.
Sí, gracias.
Qué bueno.
Mi amor.